I am in love.
Come on. Possiamo passare dal borgo o dal giardino?
Okay, so I don't even know what we're doing, but let's go along and let's see what's happening. We're at a new location today. Where are we?
Costamala.
Don't just kidnap me. You're like just.
Sparisce.
I'm like a hostage. It's a hostage situation here. I have no idea where I am.
Io mi chiamo Cardellini di cognome, ho le ali, volo via.
Yeah.
Veloce.
Okay. Where are we?
Qui siamo in un piccolo borgo a 2 passi da Aulla, 30 minuti dal mare.
30 minutes to the sea. He's always selling. I have no idea where we are. So let's go see what's happening here. I think it's a bunch of houses or one house. I mean, all right. It's always exciting. Oh my God. What are we going for a hike?
Qui tranquillo.
Jesus.
Hike. Sì, qui si può passare.
What is this? What's happening right now? You know, I feel the same way you do. Like, I don't know what I'm going to see. Normally when you do these videos, you know what you're going to show people, but I have no idea. It's a surprise. It's a surprise. Surprise. Oh, is this the house?
Sì.
We know that this is the house. Okay, great. Like you're in a city, but in the country. This is fab. Oh, I love this.
Questa proprietà.
Oh, it has kind of a modern vibe. I should have brought my hiking shoes. I mean.
Ortiche. Giardino, non sono riusciti a pulirlo.
Oh my God, this is gonna kill me. Help me, Federico.
Okay.
Help me, okay. It smells good though, it's minty. I got scratched by something. Be careful. Attention, we have thyme, mint. I really hope it wasn't poison ivy, is what I hope, okay.
Sole no problem.
You think? Yeah, sun, no problem. This is cool. Okay.
Qui ideale per rilassarsi.
Perfect. For
Pavimento fantastico.
Yeah, no. Okay. Well, this is a winner already.
2 porte d'ingresso.
This is so lovely what they did.
Qui c'è un mix.
Yeah, no, mi piace molto, fantastico questo. This is all old, what they call cotto or terracotta. It's actually quite expensive. They've done sort of a modern take on the inside of this more ancient building. It's in a terrific borgo, great village.
Sì.
Very close to Aulla, so you're very close to grocery shopping and anything you want. You're also close to the highway, which is also fantastic.
2 chilometri, 10 minuti a piedi, si può andare a prendere il caffè.
Yeah, 10 minutes and you're
A piedi.
with your walking. Okay, cool. Well, I mean, I already love what they've done with it because these are my favorite ceilings. I mean, yes, yes, and yes. You could also put a pool out there.
Il giardino? Sì, possibile.
It's big enough for a pool. Well, not a huge pool. Well, you could stand
Olimpioni.
in the pool. Well, not an Olympic.
Kitchen.
This is so cute.
Qui c'è un signore che adesso si è trasferito per lavoro e allora questo è il motivo italiano.
Okay.
E questo è un
Di
motivo.
Milano or something.
Diciamo
Torino
che è un
or
architetto. È un architetto.
Boy, this is hard to get out of him. So she's an interior designer. She got transferred. This is her house. So this is an interior designer's house. That's how we're gonna label it because it's quite fab. Look at these cabinets. She's got open shelving. Federico, I would buy this. I am in love. I'm in love.
Good, this is kitchen.
Notice how he does not, this is a kitchen. Notice how he doesn't even react to me screaming anymore. It's like, yep, there she goes. This is fab. There's a pantry, we have a dispensa. It's a little messy. I could do a little Japanese cleaning in there. I just want to show everybody though, this is the garbage situation here. They really separate their garbage. Full disclosure, not convinced that this actually goes to the places they say it's gonna go, but they make you separate everything. And then you're like, what am I supposed to do with this? There needs to be a solution here. I actually would do something built in with all the different bins done, and then it would look as clean and cool as the kitchen. I will say it's not very big, it's very small, you know, so it's not grand by any of the stretch of the imagination, but it's done perfectly. It's like a perfect little diamond of a, right?
Bene.
He doesn't know what I'm saying.
Bene.
Non capisco niente. Okay, so this is sale, right?
Piccola area.
Yeah, it's just a really groovy space, you know? Oh, questo non è...
Piccola cantina, diciamo.
Okay,
Sì.
so there's like a little space back here. Oh, it's storage, okay. Well, it could be a little library in there, actually. It's another room, which is great. This must be a wall that holds up the building that they can't take down. This is so cute. So it's small but cute. It's really cute.
Particolare.
It's particolare means not that it's strange or peculiar. It means it's very specific. This is cool. I love it. I love the stairs. I mean, this is very groovy.
Qui abbiamo l'altro ingresso. Ora lo vediamo. Altro ingresso dal
so
borgo.
Ok. Perché non entrare qua?
Perché c'erano le ortiche e te lo volevo far vedere.
Got scratched by something.
No, a me piace col
I
giardino, è
got
bellissimo.
scratched. I mean, you know,
Qui
it's
usciamo
crazy.
di qua.
All right.
Fantastico.
Yeah, us arguing. So this is the real entrance, not where we came in. You know, he always does the best tours, doesn't he? You don't know where the hell you are. This enters out into the village, which
Anche
we
con
saw.
la macchina.
We were standing right there. You actually enter where like the office and the bedrooms are, and then you go downstairs and it's the living room. It's very British actually, and the kitchen downstairs, right? That's sort of a British floor plan.
Piccolo bagno di
Bathroom,
servizio.
very cute, very clever. E questo è un ufficio, no?
Sì, sì,
Which
esatto.
is cool.
Prima era tutta una terrazza.
Yeah, but I like it as an office. I think it's clever. Uh-oh, they've staged it for us, as you can see.
Incredibile.
Even he thinks it's crazy. Oh.
Questa era una bella terrazza.
Well, yeah, I think we have to put a little railing up here because definitely a couple cocktails, you're over the top here. Beautiful, beautiful. Love it. It's a very cool house. Very, very, very cool.
One bedroom.
You said there were 4 bedrooms. Oh, they're
Sì,
upstairs.
moment.
Very, very cool. Love it. Love the closet. Closet is a winner. I like everything about this house. Look at how she did the handles. It's very cool. Sliding doors make sense, right? Let's see if they work. Yeah, sliding doors make sense because everything's very narrow. And this is cool storage. Look at this storage. It's IKEA. You love IKEA.
Sì.
It's IKEA. Fantastic. This is a fun house.
Ora la casa è abitata, eh.
Yeah, you don't have to explain. He's like, it's kind of a mess. Because they stage it when they show it. They're like, just show it looking all shitty. It'll be fine.
Allora, qui c'è bagno con
This is,
lavatrice.
I love this house. It's super fun. I love it. Hopefully there's no one laying in bed.
Qui seconda camera.
Oh, this is fun.
Non proprio in ordine.
Okay, we're good. A lot of laundry in here. Just picture without all the shit all over the place. What is the matter with people? It's like, let me show my house and let me make it
Questo-
look,
Cartongesso.
yeah.
Dunque è possibile.
Yeah, you could get rid of this, he's saying.
Big room.
Wow, I don't even know what to say about that. Let's clean up our house and try to sell it. This is the room that never was right in here. What is this? Is this the playroom? Playroom. This is the playroom. That's what this is. Okay. Let's say this. Floor plan's great. Very cool storage solutions. Very well laid out. Great lighting. You paint a few walls and you're good to go here. This is a move-in ready. Great neighborhood. Borgo's unbelievably cute. I mean, I think this is a great house. Great price. Very well done.
Sì,
Federico.
molto interessante, molto
Should we
interessante.
play now? Should we do some blocks? All right, so if you've made it this far, I just want to thank you all, and I want to say like and subscribe. Thank you, Federico.
Grazie.
Very cool house. I like it.
I like.
So I think we should do 4 thumbs up. Yeah. If I had a few more thumbs, I'd put them up. I think this is a no-brainer. If this is your vibe, this is your house.